Hello children, it's me Sonu ma'am. Hope you all are safe. Already your all main subjects classes are started. So today onwards you are going to get videos for computer science also. But I know you don't have textbooks with you. So I am selecting some common topics related to computer. Because you all know in this present situation we are completely depends on technology. So if you don't have any touch with computer science, it will be difficult for you in the coming academic years. So today I selected one basic topic, that is information technology. Before starting about information technology, just think what is the difference between information technology and computer science. At a glance, IT, that is information technology, is more about installing, maintaining, and improving computer systems, operating networks, and databases. Meanwhile, computer science is about using mathematics to program systems to run more efficiently, including in design and development. So what is common in these things between these IT and computer science is a computer system. So today we are mainly focusing about information technology. So definitely we need to learn a definition for information technology. Information technology or IT can be defined briefly as the use of computer hardware and software to store, retrieve, and manipulate information. So from this definition, first we need to learn what is information. Then only we can learn how the information is connected with the technology. Information is a data processed for some purpose. So what is data? For example, consider your marks card. In that, your each marks are considered as data. And the information is obtained by assembling these data into a meaningful form. Okay? So back to information. It's a processed data, and this information can only be considered to be real info. It is meet certain criteria. That is, it must be communicate to the recipient, that means the user. It must be in a language. It should be understood. It must be in a suitable form. It must be relevant for achieving some purpose. These are the different kinds of criteria should satisfy an information. But data is only a raw fact. A processed data, it will be considered as a information. So if we connected these data and information with your computer system, the definition will be data is the raw material that can be processed by any computing machine. We are getting output like information, and your device is capable of storing this information. Next, how your computers process this information. First, the computer accepts input, that is a raw data. The input is translated into binary numbers and processed, because your computer system knows only, that means it can understand only the binary digit 0 and 1. So first your data, if it is in any language, it will translate into binary numbers and it processed. The process produces output, that is called a meaningful information. This sequence can repeat endlessly, that is input, process, output cycle. So information technology is the use of any computers storage, networking, and other physical devices, infrastructure, and processes to create, process, store, secure, and exchange all forms of electronic data. Information technology can be divided into four central pathways. First one is network system, second one support and services, third one programming and software development, fourth one web and digital communication. Next is some examples of information technology in our everyday life. Video conferencing, emails, online payments, gadgets for education, different applications in your mobile and computer, digital broadcasting, e-commerce, computer gaming, etc. These all are the different types of information technology that we are used in our daily life. So, hope you understood a small idea about information technology. So, I am going to wind up this topic with a small activity. It's a very simple activity. Think about a typical day and list the different ways in which you communicate or communicated with technology. And what communication device or networked systems can you think of that are involved? This is one simple activity. Try to do it. Okay, children. See you with some other interesting topic. Thank you.